Hi everyone, it's the guy here joining me. Thought I'd just do a wrapping video, show one of our online bouquets. Lovely rounded. Just going to tidy it up just a tad. The greenery is a bit wild. I just want to bring it all in so all the flowers really pop out. Nice and rounded. We'll leave a little bit of the Italian ruscus. Just a nice little flourish for the bouquet. Shake it a little bit. Open it out. And now we head to doing a lovely wrapping job. So I think black's just going to really pop it out. So just making sort of a V, and that'll be our starting base. And then I'm just going to hold it. Do the same thing with the next paper. Turn the bouquet. And then I'll probably just a light tape on one end. Squeeze on the bottom. And then we'll do one more. Flip in the bouquet as well. Then I'm just going to tape on the highest point that I can get it nice and flush. I'm going to do a big squeeze. I'll just do one more tape on the bottom. Just to hold all the paper together. And hopefully you get something nice like that. And now we're just going to wrap the bottoms, which we'll use about 3 paper as well, and just bring it all together. So it's all wet wrapped and ready to go. And the final steps are very simple. I'm just going to lay them out in like a 3 triangles. Put it right up to the top. And then all I have to do is just wrap it around. And the most important bit is the big squeeze on the bottom here. And I'll just pop all our paper out. And we'll finish with a lovely bow. I've gone for like a dark purple colour, just to match the sweet pea. Could do a red, but I like everything to sort of match nicely. And there we go. Nice random bouquet. Nice wrapping to accentuate the lovely reds and purples. Thanks for a nice backdrop.